In this video, we are looking at how to sell using Smart POS. Smart We look at how to sell, how to give discounts, how to suspend a sale, how to check prices for a customer, how to give itemized discounts, and how to give bulk discounts. After that, we'll look at how to receive multiple payments in different denominations and how to receive mobile money or card, and then we'll look at how to suspend sales and how to resume sales. And lastly, we'll look at how to do refunds. That is when somebody buys and brings the items back. Of course, this depends on your internal practices, your internal rules. Some places, when they sell, they don't take it back. So look at all that. Now, to sell, you go to transactions and then you go to sales. Now, this is the sales screen. It's a very beautiful sales screen. Okay, so we start from the sales type. This is the sales type. So we can either do cash sales or we can do credit sales. Now, when you are doing credit sales, then it means you have to come here and select the person you are selling to on credit. Now, if it's cash sales, the default is cash customer because it's just a walk-in, somebody just walking to just buy. So that's what you do. Now, there are two ways you can sell. You can sell using a barcode scanner, and then you can sell by typing in the name of the item. Now, the fastest way of selling is by using barcode because you only need to scan, and scan. So if you have a barcode, you can try it, just scan, it will add it to the list for you. But if you don't have a barcode, you type the name of the item. So new item, buying pack. So you double click to select, and it brings you to the quantity. You don't need to click, you just enter the quantity. So I'm buying five. I enter five, and then I press the enter key to add it to the list. So enter. So there you are. You have the item in the list, price, quantity, subtotal. And then we have the item count, which is five items. And then we have the amount payable, of course, amount payable. And then down here we have gross, we have discount if there's any, we have VAT if the system is calculating VAT. You see it there, right there. So that's that. Then if you want to add another item, you can. So let's say pork, and then I double click to select minced pork. I'm buying two. That's the price. It gives you the total price. Now, assuming this is what I'm selling, so what next can I do? The person gives me 500 cedis cash. I enter 500. It gives me the change I'm supposed to give to the person right below it. So that's 250 change. And then I can click on receipt to print my receipt. So receipt, and then the receipt will appear. I'm getting this because I've not connected the printer, so I can just continue. And then it shows me the last receipt number on the screen. Now it shows me that today I've done just one sale. So the more sales you do, the counter will keep counting it as the number of transactions you've done a day. Now you can learn something else. So let's add a new item. So you type the item, you double click to select, or you use the arrow keys to select. Press enter. You click on the quantity and press enter to add. Add another one. Double click to select. Press enter to add. Now over here, we can change the sales to credit sales. And then we select customer. We are selecting credit. And then the rest is just the same. Now, when you are doing credit sales and you enter any amount you enter here is considered as part payment. So if I enter one CD and I save, you will see the one CD as part payment. Okay. Then there's cash sales. Click on cash sales. Now, if it's cash sales, there are a couple of things you can do. So I can come to payment types here, and then I can select the payment type. If the person is paying by check, you click on check. And then you can enter the check details, select a bank, enter the check number, and then you can go ahead and print your sales. Or the person is paying by card, so you have Visa, MasterCard, blah 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 blah. Select MasterCard, enter the name of the person or any details you want to keep, and the date. You can go ahead and sell. If it's mobile money, you can select the mobile money type and then enter the mobile money number, and then you can save. Now, if you want to do multiple payments, then let's say the person is paying half by Momo and paying half by card. So I can do Momo here. I can say the person is paying one CD and then I add the payment. So it comes here. Then I can say the person is paying the rest with more with cash. So that will be 1.6. 6. I come here. So it should be 1.64. 1.64. So, so that's full payment. And from here, I can save. From here, I can save the receipt and get my receipt printed. So that's multiple payments. If you are paying multiple for the same item, but if it's just one, you just enter. You don't need to enter any amount here. Just select the payment types and then receipt. Now, when we come back here, there are a couple more of things we can do. So let me just clear the screen and do a new sale. So over here, I can pick an item, whatever beef, nice beef. I double click 10, the person is buying 10, and then I buy 1 kg or something, 10, and that's 150. Now, let's say this person hasn't finished buying, is going to pick more items, but somebody is there who just bought an item and want to pay and go. So you can suspend these sales. So this is how we suspend. You can suspend these sales and then continue to serve the next person. So to suspend, you click on suspend here and everything is gone. Now you have a clean slate. You can serve the next customer, and when the other person comes back, you can resume his or her transactions. So let's say the person is back. So I go back to transaction, I go back to suspend, and then I click on the item. So we are seeing it's got 2 items so far. So I can double click to resume or click and resume. So double click to resume, and then I have everything back. Now I can give discount on the specific item. Let's say 150, I'm giving a 50 cedis discount. So to do that, you double click then I put in the amount, which is 50 I want to give. If I want to give percentage, then I need to put in percentage and then click on update. So you see that you get a discount of 50 and the price is reduced by 50. So that's that. Now, this is itemized discount. What if I want to give discount on everything, the total price, the total item bought? So I can remove this discount by doing zero discount here, and then update my price back, and then I go to bulk discount, and then I enter 10%, and then I press the enter key. So you see that the bulk discount is giving us 15 cedis, and the price has changed accordingly. That's how I give bulk discount. Now, last item, or last but not the least. Okay, so let's say I don't want this item anymore. So I want to remove it. You click on it and then you click on delete, and then it's deleted. Then if you are okay, you can just click on this to print your receipt. Okay, it's telling me sorry, amount ended cannot be lesser than amount payable. Okay, so it's asking me how much have I been paid. So let's say 200. Then voila, you have your receipt. Now let's have a few more items, then we are done. Refund. Somebody buys and brings it back. So the person needs to prove that he bought the item from you by presenting a receipt. So you use your receipt to pick the item. So the last receipt is always at the top. So I go for it. Top. Give me an error.